Wagwan, my people, respect for tuning into another video. And I just want to say big up to all of my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, me soon comments down into the comment section. Yeah, even though more time on the beat my bad, but Flava Media Entertainment TV appreciate you all and appreciate your comments. So continue to drop them, people. And also remember to give this video a like. But coming up in this video, viewers and subscribers, well, basically Vybz Kartel did it again and is now celebrating a new milestone for its King of Dancehall album. So people want to stay tuned for more information on that. Also, one wanted man and two of his cronies get ClapWeh by a giant police military team in Spot Valley, St. James yesterday. So people stay tuned for all of that. But don't know how we do the thing already. We are going to just jump in at the intro and come right back to the video. So don't go nowhere. We soon forward.
Coulda never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
So now people, 3 gunmen, including 2 of Jamaica's most wanted, get ClapWeh during a standoff with a police military team in Spot Valley, St. James early yesterday. These men are believed to be responsible for at least 10 murders in the parish, viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? But basically, the St. James police have confirmed that one of the parish most wanted man and 2 of his cronies were fatally shot when they challenged members of a police military team at a section of the Barretown community yesterday afternoon. The men have been identified as Nesta Gallimore, otherwise called Zaddo or Gotti, Javon Henry and Javon Henry. So basically, viewers and subscribers, reports are that about 3 p.m. the police military team, acting on intelligence, went to a house located on the border of the Barretown and Spot Valley known as Compound in search of the wanted men, viewers and subscribers. And basically I saw them catch them and bang them up. You see me, I say, people, and when you're looking at them thing, it come like it's a replay in Jamaica every day. You see me, I say, every day one thing after another. Be a crime and bang up. Even though them man they deserve it because them man they responsible for over 10 murders in the parish. You understand what I mean? But this thing come like it now change. You understand what I mean? And the youths them now wise up and look into it and say, yo, badness no pay viewers and subscribers. But anyways, I want to tell me what you think about all of this down into the comment section. And remember to give the video a like. You see me, I say? But basically coming up in this other news. So viewers and subscribers, we all know that Vybz Kartel is the baddest dancehall artist from him grace the scene, people, you understand? And you don't know that Vybz Kartel is putting out hits after hits from them time there, you understand what I mean? Crossing a lot of milestones after milestone. Yes, so basically you don't know, big up Bounty Killer and Beanie Man also, but right now a Vybz Kartel I carry the wagon, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, the goat of dancehall, the one and only king of dancehall. You understand what I mean? So you don't know Gaza forever, you see me I say? And you don't know Vybz Kartel right now is celebrating a new milestone for his King of Dancehall album, which achieved 100 million streams on Spotify this month, viewers and subscribers. So basically, the artist management team confirmed the latest streaming numbers for the album, which was released in 2016 and went on to spawn some of the biggest commercial hits of Kartel's career, viewers and subscribers. And basically, Vybz Kartel is the biggest and most influential artist of the first 23 years of the new millennium. You see me? No one can deny that. No one can doubt it, people, because me only know say basically the facts that the body of work known as the King of Dancehall and the body of work of Vybz Kartel put in overall is just one of the plethora of reasons why this is so. You see me I say? So you don't know, so basically there is no surprise here to the album getting over 1 million streams, people. As a matter of fact, viewers and subscribers, if Vybz Kartel did free, we would be talking about tens of billions of streams. So yeah, a one world boss, one dancehall king, any other king, a must draw king. You understand what I mean? Yeah, basically any other king, a must draw king. Yeah, as me I said, viewers and subscribers. So basically, the album which has credit to dancehall maestros Donwell and Linton White feature 15 tracks with hits like Coloring His Life, Fever, Western Union, and Witch Friend, among others. So you understand what I mean? Them tunes that did really take off and are going with beatings viewers and subscribers. But basically, Fever has gone on to be widely successful, and top 5 most popular songs for the artist on Spotify with 78 million and counting streams. And basically his other top songs include Clarks with 27 million streams, Summertime with 31 million streams, and Ramping Shop with Spice coming in at 19 million streams. You understand what I mean? While One Man featuring Gaza Slim has 12 million people, so you don't know them, there are some large number, you see me I say, and you don't know, big up to Vybz Kartel for that, you see me, you don't know the man I put in the work from then up until now, you see me, so you don't know, one Gaza, one boss, one world boss, you see me I say. So basically, Vybz Kartel album numbers are not surprising as the artist continue to be the highest stream. Despite being incarcerated for a murder conviction, he is presently appealing. You see me I say? So basically his fans agree that the artist's musical dominance ought not to be dismissed, as his numbers prove that he is among the top stream artists from Jamaica. But basically, viewers and subscribers, them need to know say this man is the king of dancehall and everybody have them talent. But this man drop hits after hits for years. Gaza forever, you see me I say. So you don't know, big up to Vybz Kartel, you see me, you don't know a maneuver evil doer regardless he is incarcerated, and you don't know him a deal with him sickness thing right now. You understand what I mean? Cause me don't know the big news in the ear from what he is. Me even do a previous video upon it, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Where you know say at the end of the day the artist is suffering from a thyroid condition and also two heart conditions. You see me? So you don't know, big up the Gaza boss to the max, you see me, if I continue putting out the work, you see me? Yeah, and you don't know, nothing can beat Fox. You see me I say, viewers and subscribers, so you don't know, say Vybz Kartel are putting in work from a longer time. You see me I say, the baddest thing in a dancehall, you see me, I say that with no joke. You see me? I know say enough people are going to lash out on that, enough people, because you don't know how the bounty fans them stay already, you see me? But you don't know, Gaza forever, man, you see me? So anyway, viewers and subscribers, I want to tell me one thing down into the comment section. Share your thoughts, share your opinion, and make me know what really are going on. You see me I say? And you don't know, also give the video a like, yes, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so that you can get all of the latest from Flava Media Entertainment TV. And me I beg on the people, yeah, just drop a one like on the video. You see me right now as I listening, just drop a one like, because you don't know, it really help the algorithm and help YouTube to decide who to put out the video to, and to put it out to a even wider audience so more people can be in the know and know exactly what go on. You see me I say, people say you don't know, big up to all of my viewers and subscribers, them said we, and you don't know, peace, I'm out.